Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-MAX and you need to remove or replace front windshield wipers. Stay with us, we'll explain everything from start to finish. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, wipers, whatever it is, for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this right here guys is the C-MAX that we'll be demonstrating on. This specifically, it's a 2013 year, I believe 2013 and 14, 2012-13. One of the wipers is a little bit smaller, okay, compared to 14 and all the way to 2019. So you will need to open your hood, you will need to support it, and let's explain now how we're going to replace them. So as you can see, the passenger side is clearly a little bit shorter than the driver side. So how do we guys remove them now? Okay, let's explain. Right here, if you see, okay, you have one thing that you need to push to the front, okay, and pull on the wiper, okay, pull to the front, slide it, okay, okay, needs to come out more. Okay, let me see now. It is just stuck. Okay, let me grab it here because you need to hold it with two hands. All you have to do, okay, you can see it just goes like that. Go with this piece to the front and then lift it up. So now this is the short one, okay. Now the long one guys, okay, right here the same thing. We're going to go ahead, okay, do that. Okay, and this one as well guys. So two wipers down, okay, to install now. So let's go ahead, okay, open the package. You can see ours is completely short, that can destroy your windshield practically. So right here now we'll get the long one. The long one goes on the driver's side, remember that. Okay, it comes with the manual and everything else. So now what you need to do guys, we need to install actually, okay, we need to install that piece right here. And if you open the menu, it's going to tell you, okay, how to specifically, okay, do each one of those, because right here you'll see the step-by-step instruction, okay, and how to do it. So now this is practically guys, okay, we don't need it for that purpose. You can see these two tabs, okay, right here. Let me explain now. Okay, we're going to come close to here, okay. You're going to come right here in the hole on the front first in an angle, get it in the hole. Now on the back you have the two tabs that you're going to squish towards each other, push up, you will lock and make sure the wiper doesn't go anywhere. Now let's open the other one and we need to do exactly the same thing as well. And we're going to test them and see how they perform after that to make sure that we actually did everything the way we were supposed to. So this is the short one, which is the passenger side. I believe on the 12 and 13 model C-MAX the driver is 28 inches, the passenger is 24, and on the 14 and up I believe the passenger is 26 inches. Why? I don't know, that's what the catalog says. So you go in an angle again, on the back squish and push up. Alright, make sure it doesn't go anywhere, grab it like that. Now it's very important to close your hood, okay, when you do that, to make sure that, okay, everything is good. So let's see how it's going to clean now. Okay, we're going to test them, make sure everything's performing correctly and it wipes everything good before we recommend them. So you can see guys, okay, it wipes everything amazingly. So great wipers, that everything fits great. So hopefully guys, video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.